If culture doesn't evolve, it becomes stale in no time. That's why we refer to recent past as modern culture. And if it encompasses the heritages such as art and craft, it becomes continuously evolving. One such thing in modern Delhi culture is Dastkar, a leading Indian crafts NGO initiative. Dastkar brings best of the craftsmen from all across the country to South Delhi at a place near Andheria Mod, about a kilometer south of Qutub Minar, along the Mehrauli-Gurgaon Road, very near to the Chattarpur Metro Station. Upon gaining a high reputation in delivering quality at a price, of course, Dastkar has now joined hands with Delhi Tourism to bring in several theme exhibitions come sale in Delhi in the name of Nature Bazaar. It has now become almost a monthly feature barring the monsoon time. In 2018-19, they organized 9 such events, 12 days every month, with varied verticals of distinctive themes and characters, all focused on craftsmanship showcased in 100 stalls made of fabric. Let's walk along. The Basant themed Mela happened in February this year. Nature Bazaar handpicks authentic crafts from competent craftspersons from all over the country. Craftsmen's skills displayed here range from wonderful handloom weaves, embroideries, block prints, traditions of bidri and dhokra metal craft, or tribal gond and Madhubani folk art. All these are essentially handcrafted. Dastkar works through workshops and awareness programs to inculcate environment-friendly green practices besides waste management, recycling, vermicule, and solar energy utilization. Dastkar also has over 3 decades of experience in working with craftspeople countrywide. Today, it is organizing 150 plus craft melas and exhibitions all over the country. The best part is that craftsmen themselves come to your towns, making sure that the visitors get an enriching experience, genuine craft, and quality craftsmanship. Besides the crafts and craftsmanship, the artists from far and wide also hold cultural programs, making the visit experiential indeed. An integral and essential element of human congregations is food, of course. It adds to the experience and makes the visit more memorable, if it can be remembered later on as well. There is a decent area down the stairs in the back of exhibition. Food is aplenty, regional flavors, and delicious as well. The Gully e Khas, meaning a special street, a row with permanent stalls, is a regular space for sourcing craft, textile, natural and lifestyle products. A florist and plant nursery is also a permanent feature of this venue, besides Gully e Khas. Dastkar also organized nature bazaars in Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Kolkata, and Chandigarh with varied timetables. So, make your pick and be there as per your convenience. And I assure you that you will also be an addict to this modern Delhi culture like many. Here's your friend and host signing off on Nature Bazaar.